Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Just like your hands and face, your feet need their share of regular attention. Many things including dirt, dust, dry air, improper shoes as well as daily wear and tear impact the health and appearance of your feet. You can easily take care of them with regular pedicures. Pedicures are not just about polishing your toenails, men should also go for it. A good pedicure can be very relaxing and therapeutic in nature. It is important to enjoy a pedicure at least once a month to keep your feet in good condition. Many people don't do it on a regular basis because getting a pedicure at a salon can be expensive and time consuming. However, you can keep your feet healthy without spending a fortune by giving yourself a pedicure at home. All you need is the right tools and knowledge about the procedure. Step number 1. Before starting your pedicure, it is essential to get rid of old nail polish from all of your toenails. Gently rub a nail polish remover pad on the nails to remove the old nail polish. Step number 2. Fill a tub with warm water. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of foot spa gel or cleanser. Soak both feet in this soothing water for 10 to 15 minutes. Use a pumice stone to gently scrub your heels, the balls of your feet and your soles to remove the dead skin cells. Then use a dry foot file to clean up your feet. Also use a nail scrubber or an old toothbrush to clean your nails and nail beds. Use the brush to clean in between your toes. Step number 3. Generously apply a scrub on your feet and rub it around gently using circular motions. Scrub your toes, between your toes, your heels and the tops and bottoms of your feet to further remove dead skin cells. Rinse your feet with clean water. Make sure to remove the scrub from between your toes. Use a soft towel to pat dry your feet thoroughly. Avoid rubbing your feet harshly. Step number 4. Cut your toenails using a nail cutter. Cut them straight across to prevent ingrown nails. You can even opt for a slightly rounded nail shape or square rounded shape depending upon your preference. However, avoid cutting corners too deep. Also make sure to clean any dirt from underneath the nail's corner. After giving the desired shape to your toenails, file them with a nail file or a Mary board to smooth out the edges. Always file your nails in only one direction. Finish with a buffer to make the top surface of your nails smooth and shiny. Use a cotton swab to apply a drop of olive oil to the base of each nail. You can also use cuticle oil. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the cuticle to soften. Once your cuticles are soft, very gently push them back using a cuticle pusher or an orange wood stick. Avoid pushing the cuticles too far as they help protect the nail beds from infection and can affect nail growth. Be careful not to tear or cut into the skin in any way. Using the cuticle cutter or nipper, trim any hangnails or overgrown cuticles. Be careful not to touch any parts of the cuticle that are still protecting your nail bed. Step number 5. Apply a thick layer of foot cream on your feet, both top and bottom, including your heels and cuticles. You can also use any other moisturizer of your choice. Using circular motions, massage your feet thoroughly for about 10 minutes. Before moving on to the next step, wipe your nails with a cotton ball to remove any extra oil and moisturizer. Clean nails will help the nail polish last longer. Step number 6. Put a toe separator in one of your feet and apply a thin layer of base coat on all your toenails. Repeat with the next foot. Paint each of your toenails with the nail color of your choice. Start from the center of the nail near the cuticle and using long brush stroke, paint each nail to the tip. Allow the first coat to dry completely before applying another coat to intensify the color. Keep the layers of nail polish as thin as possible to help them dry quickly. Once your nails polish is completely dry, add a final touch by applying a thin layer of top coat. Allow your nails to dry thoroughly. Once dry, scrub the nail polish off of your skin using a cotton swab dipped in nail polish remover. Finally, use a foot spray on your feet. This step is optional, but it will give a refreshing feel to your feet and keep them odor-free. Pedicures keep calluses under control, keep skin properly moisturized, stimulate blood circulation, relieve tension, prevent cracks from forming and even reduce the risk of infections. Plus, well-maintained feet are a sign of a well-groomed person. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.